Good morning. I recommend that to visit the good of Morrosquillo. They are the most beautiful beach. Are they water and the calmest and most transparent that can exist. I wish and last sky on the most beautiful you can imagine. They have three beautiful ecosystems at the first maze of the tropical and forest and coastal estuary lagoon, an important refuge for birds and mammals. The second is formed by coral reefs and delivered by mangroves. In its sheer Coral de Rosario and San Bernardo National Natural Park, which project the underwater ecosystem. The people are friendly and very cheerful. You can visit the good Borrasquillo anytime on the year and enjoy natural pleasure at beaches and mangrove rivers. And much more, you can eat traditional foods the region. I recommend that you visit the Gulf, the Morrosquillo. They are the most beautiful beach and their water and the calming and the most transparent that can exist. These beaches and landscapes are the most beautiful you can imagine. The three beautiful ecosystems. The Coral del Rosario and San Bernardo National Natural Park, in which project the underwater ecosystem. The people are fun, friendly, and very cheerful. You can visit the Gulf of Morrosquillo at any time on the year and enjoy natural places, shoot and views, and mangrove river and much more. Can eat traditional food from the region and delicious. Thank you.